Welcome to another camping adventure with Menko the Cat. We're driving about 2 hours away to camp, hopefully right on a river. Leah's also tagging along this time, and she's inside right now grabbing us some breakfast, coffee, and donuts. These guys used a frosting for their maple bars instead of a glaze, and the texture and the taste also is excellent. We've got about 2 hours on the freeway and then we'll be to camp. It's not too far. Got about 10 minutes until we get to our first prospective campsite. I've never been out here before, so we'll just have to see how it goes. I don't know how these are going to be. I love Montana. The speed limit on this road is 70.
You good, Menko?
Are waving, smiling. Oh, it's just a trip to the trees. And
Now, we're gonna be sleeping in the tent tonight, but I also brought my Hennessy hammock. Now, I have used this once before and it was pouring down rain and I didn't get it set up very well. And so I brought it with me here to where it's beautiful and sunny. And there's lots of trees, so I can actually figure out how to set it up right. The full version of that will be over on patreon.com/joelkalich, where your contributions will go towards fuel for this gas guzzler, as well as other cool camping gear like that hammock. Did you find your spot, Katie? Did you find your spot?
She said no.
Menko, did you make the decision to go back up, go back and leave the river? Yeah, okay, we're on the way up. Get away from the big body of water. Guess who forgot the kindling today? Menko, what are you doing? That's Menko, what? Menko, that car is I like that car. Well, now that the fire's started, I think I'm gonna enjoy myself a dab. And no, I don't mean that trend that was popular a few years ago. I mean a German style beer. Well, I guess we're just gonna hang out by the fire here. We might play some more games or something until it burns down for hot dogs, and then we'll have those for dinner.
You being a cutie cat. Hi, Menko. Hi.
There's been a mishap with our cheap roasting sticks, so now we're gonna have to roast them on the end of this, I guess. It's that time of night we've had to turn on our beacon. Isn't that right, kitty? Yeah. Such a good girl. Menko, I must say your timing is impeccable. We were just about to head into the tent. Hard to get any privacy around here, isn't it? You done? Oh, I wouldn't go out that way. Oh. No, other way. There you go. That's a good girl. As long as you didn't pee on your leash, I'm happy. She's so excited. She's been waiting all day. It's been all day. There's your quick kitty. Let's get this off of you. I know you're gonna be excited for that. She's like, how do I get in the sleeping bag? She loves being in the sleeping bag. She's at the bottom already. It's so funny. Well, we have really been enjoying a show called Ted Lasso. Leah plays soccer, so her especially, but I've got it downloaded on the old tablet here, and we're gonna settle in and enjoy that while we go to sleep. It's about 9:45, so we probably won't watch more than an episode or two. Oh man, it is quite peaceful out here. We can hear the ripple of the river. I'm sure we will hear a few trains coming through, but that's okay. They're kind of far enough away that it's soothing.
Lasso, passenger Henry Lasso.
We're here. Sorry about that.
You got your harness a little messed up, kitty? Come on. Is it time for breakfast, kitty? Look at her come. Oh, kitty. How did you lose your beacon? There. I'm working on it. You really need to be in there. Menko, your litter box is right here. That's what I thought. She seems to think the fire pit is litter box. Seeing as I still haven't replaced the stove that I embedded into my XC70 camper in a way that it cannot be removed, Leah's fixed us up a cold breakfast here. And for a bit of caffeine, I'll be having this here Riot Energy mango flavor, which, judging by the can, I'm kind of skeptical. It doesn't look like it's going to be very good. It's all right, it's all right. I'm going to see if they live up to their no crash claim. We'll see. There's what she came up with. A little bit of Greek yogurt, fruit, and granola. Well, I kind of do like trains, so we stopped here and we're next to one of the trestles, and I'm gonna see if I can get lucky and see a train go by in the next few minutes. Well, now we wait, I guess. Do not want to be standing here when a train comes. There's even a walkway here on this side of the bridge if you actually wanted to cross, I guess, though I'm sure this sign right here says don't cross, but I can't read, so who knows. I must say we timed our camping trip perfectly. We were just done packing up as it started to rain. Now I'm just standing out here in the rain for fun, I guess. Well, I'm starting to get wet here and there is no train in sight. I think it's time we hit the road. got back on I-90 now. We've got a little under 2 hours to go on probably the most beautiful section of I-90 that there is. So we're gonna enjoy that. You're gonna enjoy the time lapse right after you like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of us road trip in the Oldsmobile, and leave a comment about your favorite camping trip you've done in an old car like this. I will see you again next week. Enjoy the time lapse. If you're getting passed by an oversized load, maybe you need to put your foot down. This car has been getting 10 to the gallon in town, but of course we did a lot of freeway driving, so I'm guessing 14.
I'm guessing 12.
We'll see who's closer. Either way, it's gonna hurt my wallet. I win, we got 15.5 to the gallon. Hey, that's better than I thought. I guess that means beer tonight is on Leah. Hey, kitty. I clipped you. Yep, come on. You know where to go. Yeah. Here she goes. She's so excited. Yep, there's another door, I know. And we're in. There's your good girl. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.